pronunciation of the sound h at the end of the word. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and share it with somebody. Subscribe if you want to see more, but do press the black bell icon so that you don't miss any new videos. Thank you again. The sound H and CH is pronounced in the same way. The sound H is soundless. The best way to pronounce the H sound in Polish is simply to say it as the Scottish Loch Ness Monster. It is also similar to the H sound in Ho, 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 Father Christmas. Please repeat after me. Ho, ho, ho. And again. Ho, ho, ho. Was that easy? Please repeat after me. Loch Ness. Loch Ness. Loch Ness. Please repeat after me. Ach, ech, och, uch, ich. And again. Ach, ech, och, uch, ich. Please repeat after me. Ach, ech, och, uch, ich. And again. Ach, ech, och, uch, ich. Please repeat after me. Dach, mech, pech. And again. Dach, mech, pech. Well done. Strach, dwóch, węch. And again. Strach, dwóch, węch. Well done. To wszystko na dzisiaj. Do zobaczenia.